Welcome to SC Education. In last lecture we discuss about meta-cat set, UTF-8 क्या होता है और एक्स्ट्रास के बारे में. ओके एंड इस लेक्चर में हम एमएल के बारे में जानेंगे, टाइटल क्या होता है ये जानेंगे, और ज़्यादा पैराग्राफ चाहिए तो हम कैसे उसे लिखेंगे, क्योंकि मैनुअली टाइप नहीं कर सकते ना, उसे बहुत टाइम लगेगा. और तो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर डिस्कस टुडे. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टॉक अबाउट द एमेट. ओके, that is the emet sign. Okay, and if you enter the HTML body structure is ready. Okay, in this body we write our HTML codes. Okay, if you want to use lorem, if you talk about lorem, okay, uh, that is the key tag. It is using paragraph, and in this we write the multiple words. Okay, manually. Okay, it is taking a, sorry, mul- much of time. Okay, and if you want to solve this, okay, then you use lorem. Oops, error. Lorem. Okay, lorem. Okay, and we was to 20 words. Okay, then we click the lorem 20 and enter that. Okay, 20 words are created here. Okay, it is all about the lorem. If you console that, there, that is the output shown here. Okay, and if you want to bold the text, okay, then you use, we use a strong tag. Very earlier you used br tag, but it is not used now today. Okay, so cancel it, and we write, here you see the console, the text is bold. Okay, that is all about the bold tag. Okay, and we, now our next topic is what is br, why br use. ठीक है, देन तो br क्या होता है कि br मेनली यूज होता है लाइन को ब्रेक करने में. ओके, तो we, so here if there is a heading, okay, and ST education provide student and web development courses to make, to enhance skills and make future in web. It is not a feature, it is a future. Okay, in web development. Okay, and if you want to break the statement from here, okay, then you use the br tag. Okay, it is break your statement. See here, the statement is break in two parts. Okay, first line and second line. And now talk about hr tag. What is hr tag? Okay, then we comment it hr tag in html. Then if you want to a line, horizontal line in your html, okay, body, you write this type. Okay, and let's we create p, and you use some statement, and then you use hr, and you use other statement right here. Okay, and after consoling that, you see there is a line created here over here. Okay, it is all about the hr tag. Okay, and now we talk about what is em, and the em. ठीक है, if you want to talk about em, what is em, then one second. Yeah, of course. em. This is used to change your word in italic. Okay, जैसे कि मैं आपको लिख के दिखाता हूँ, em टैग को यूज करके दिखाता है, ठीक है। दिस इज एजुकेशन ट्यूटोरियल 3. This is shown in italic tag. Okay, that is all about the em. It is in italic. You use also italic here. Okay, this is working same. You see here